Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone on over to your Roku device, and this is actually really easy. Now, the most important thing is to go to your iPhone, and you want to connect to the same Wi-Fi as your Roku device. So swipe down from the top right, and then go to the Wi-Fi symbol right here, and just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. So if you're on the wrong Wi-Fi, it's not going to find it. So I'm going to connect to the same one. I believe it's this one right here. And then when I'm connected, I want to back out to the screen and then go to the two little boxes and select this. Then you can see my Roku device was just on there, and all I see is my Fire TV now. So let's load this up. Now if you don't see it, just restart your phone and then it should show up. So under here, you can see my Fire Stick. Now if you don't see it, you want to go back to the home screen here, go over to settings and select settings, go to network, and then just go to set up interconnection. So you can see I'm on the different Wi-Fi, so I have to switch on over, and then it should show up under my list. So I can switch it over on my phone, or I can switch it over on my Fire Stick. So I'm just going to select it now on here, and then I should be able to find it. So I'm selected there. Now I can go back to my phone. Here's the two little boxes, and there's the Roku Express 4K. So let's connect to this, and my phone should display on the screen now. So there it is. You can stop mirroring at any point in time, but if you want to browse the internet, show off photos or something like that to your friends, so you can see me on there. Really easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.